What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about the decline in job openings that we're seeing right now, take a quick look at the JOLTS report, and talk about the reaction to everything going on right now, along with some expectations moving forward. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Come and join us in the VIP club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. I'm going to be going live tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. If you refer a friend by the 15th, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares. Everything will be linked in the description. So today is Wednesday, August 3rd, 2022. And in today's video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the JOLTS report that just came out yesterday. And that stands for Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey, if you didn't know what JOLTS stood for. Along with some Fed updates and the market's reaction to everything going on right now. So prior to the JOLTS report being released, the expectation was that we would have 11 million job openings, down from the previous month's 11.3 million job openings. So that right there already had people on the edge of their seats, that analysts were anticipating a decline in job openings, but expectations were set at 11 million. And then yesterday, the JOLTS report was released, and we learned that analysts missed expectations, and the number came in at 10.7 million job openings, down about 600,000 from the month prior. So we're seeing a fairly steep decline in job openings, but according to Jerome Powell, back in May, we had about 1.9 job openings for every one unemployed person. So with this decline in job openings that we're seeing right now, we're getting closer to the more ideal balance, which would be one job opening for every one unemployed person. That would mean the labor market is cooling. That's what the Fed wants to see. That's what was discussed at the most recent FOMC meeting. And the JOLTS data is reflecting that, which is a good thing. That's a good sign. But unfortunately, the next Fed meeting will not be held until the end of September. So we're going to be left in the dark for a little while, at least on that issue. We do, however, have the jobs report coming out at the end of this week, and we also have the CPI report coming out next week. So we can look forward to that. I also wanted to very quickly talk about some inflation expectations, what analysts expect the CPI report to read next week. Only a 0.2% month over month, or 2.4% annualized. That's shockingly low. I'm personally surprised that's what's being expected, especially so soon. But to reference back to the JOLTS report, we're seeing that the Fed was pretty accurate at the last meeting, and if the next CPI report shows us that core inflation is finally inflecting down, I'm not talking about just by a hair, I'm talking about substantially and consistently moving in a downward direction, because remember, the next FOMC meeting isn't until the end of September. We're going to be getting 2 CPI reports in the meantime. If they both give us good news and continue to inflect down, that would be a strong indicator that the Federal Reserve is finally on the right track. And if that ends up being the case, well, I think the market is going to have a pretty solid reaction to that. So before I dive into the market and how the stock market has been performing, along with how the precious metal market has been performing, and even how the crypto market has been performing, let me just issue a quick, friendly reminder to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. You can deposit as little as 1 penny and it still works, it still counts, you still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. And if you refer one friend to the app by August 15th, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares. You're guaranteed at least 15. You might get 35, you might get 50, you might get 100. But you're getting something either way. So make sure to capitalize on that opportunity as quickly as you can, because time is running out. And if you don't want the fractional shares, go and get them anyway. They're free. Then just sell them. Congratulations. Now you have the cash to go and get you whatever else you want to get. Webull link in the description. So now, when it comes to how the markets are behaving, how the markets are reacting at this time, like I said, if we continue to get some more good news, we're probably going to see a rally. We're already seeing plenty of green, by the way. I mean, for example, the S&P 500 is up 3.45% in the last 5 open market days. Here's the chart right here. In addition to that, we also have silver back up into the $20 an ounce range. At the moment, it's actually just a hair below $20, but remember, this is my 3rd day back after 11 days of not being here. Before I left, silver was down into the $18 an ounce range. So for it to climb back up into the $19 an ounce range and earlier this week into the $20 an ounce range, yeah, at the moment, just a hair under $20. And just to show you, I have a screenshot of that as well. We're looking at $19.91. We also have gold back up, getting kind of close to the $1,800 an ounce range again. We're looking at $1765.40. So the precious metals have been doing pretty good over the last couple of days or over the last week or so. And not only that, cryptos are doing pretty good too. We have Bitcoin up 1.7%. We have Ethereum up 1.48%. We have Doge up 1.86%. We have SHIB up 2.34%. And we got Cardano up 2.74%. I don't know if you guys care about cryptos. I personally don't, but I think it's important to pay attention to absolutely everything. So if we see this market doing well, that market doing well, and that market doing well, it's a good sign. But in addition to all of that, with the general reaction that we're seeing right now, I think that with the FOMC meeting coincidentally just being 5 days ago, and over the last 5 days the markets have all been doing very, very well, I don't think it's really a coincidence. I think where things are headed, at least for the time being at the moment, remember the markets are very, very reactive to the smallest amount of good news, just like the markets are incredibly reactive to the smallest amount of bad news. We get one bad report and all of a sudden it's the end of the world, sell everything, everything's going down, everything's going to zero. We get one little bit of good news, a good report, and everybody says, oh, all the world's problems have been solved. Rally on in. I think where things are headed at the moment, I think it's giving us some confidence. Things are looking a little bit better. But let's not be overconfident. That's when people stop paying attention, and that's when people get blindsided. Keep your head on a swivel, people. Keep paying attention. Stay alert. And stay ready so you don't gotta get ready. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. have a screenshot right here. I forgot I'm doing this now, so I don't have to worry about or waste time editing. Subscribe to that second channel. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. We got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs, and a bunch of different designs. A lot of the products are helping us raise some funds and awareness for different charity organizations, by the way. Come and join us in the VIP Club, which is where I do giveaways every single month, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts on silver and gold almost every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and every Saturday morning I post a brand new vlog, and there are a ton of other perks as well. VIP Club link in the description. I guarantee you it's worth it. And remember, I'm going live tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, last but certainly not least, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. You can deposit as little as you want, even as little as a penny, and it still works. It still counts. You still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. Don't pass up on an opportunity. And if you refer a friend to the app by August 15th, Webull's going to give you all the way up to 100 free fractional shares for the referral. And you can do this 10 times, by the way. You're guaranteed at least 15. You might get 35, you might get 50, or you might get 100. And you can do this 10 times, which means you have the opportunity of earning all the way up to 1,000 free fractional shares. 100 each. Don't pass up on an opportunity. Webull link in the description. Time is running out. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free. Then just sell them. Congratulations. Now you have the cash to go and do whatever it is that you want to do. Webull link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic when it comes to the job openings decline that we're seeing right now. What are your thoughts on that? If you took a look at the JOLTS report, what are your thoughts on that? When it comes to inflation expectations, what are your thoughts on that? And of course, when it comes to how the market is reacting at this time, what are your thoughts on that? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.